If you are a practitioner in the TikTok industry, then you definitely cannot miss this Google extension that increases efficiency. When browsing the TikTok website and you come across a good video, you need to constantly jump around the page to find out more about the creator. However, with this extension, you can achieve twice the result with half the effort. While watching a video, simply click on the logo on the floating layer to easily view the detailed information of the creator. You can see whether they have opened a showcase, uploaded videos, done live streams, opened a small shop, and more. Clicking on each icon will show corresponding detail. You can also learn which country the creator comes from and their engagement rate. Engagement rate represents the degree of favorability that the creator's fans have towards them. At the same time, you can also view their like-to-follower ratio and total number of followers. In addition, the extension also provides live stream monitoring. You will receive notifications when the creator starts a live stream after the live stream ends. You can obtain an analysis of the live stream's effectiveness. The extension also provides information on the creator's number of followers, videos, live streams, product sales, and MGV trends in the past 3 months. Finally, you will see their hashtag usage. If you want to try this extension, simply search for EchoTik in the Chrome Web Store.